Hello, this is Google Fly Cup lab number 2. Let's start the lab. Okay, the lab will take some time to get provisioned, so let me give you a quick summary of the lab. Go to task number 1. Here you have to create a Google Cloud Storage bucket. That's it. Go to task number 2. You have to create a BigQuery dataset. You have to create a BigQuery table and load the table with data. That's it. Go to task number 3. Here you have to download the starter code to Vertex AI notebook. That's it. Now, on task number 4, you have to train the model. On task number 5, you have to upload the trained model into Vertex AI model registry. Task number 6, deploy the model to an endpoint. Task number 7, query your endpoint. Okay, that's it. Let's go and complete the lab. Go to Google Cloud Storage and create a bucket. Copy the name, click Create. Choose the region and create the bucket. Okay, create your BigQuery dataset. Now you have to create a table, copy the name, our data is stored in this Google Cloud Storage file path. So add the file path here and auto detect the schema. Click Create Table. Task number 3, go to Vertex AI. Go to Workbench. So our notebook is spinning up. It will take some time. So I'm going to pause the video here and I will return when the notebook is ready. Okay, our notebook is ready. So let's open the Jupyter Lab. Open a new terminal. copy the location, and type jsutil cp location period. Here we go. We are ready. Task number 4, train a model. Okay. Let's run all the cells. Okay, our model is saved, and that's it. Let's go to the lab and check our progress. Task number 5, upload the model to Vertex AI model registry. Go to Vertex AI, go to model registry, click import, copy the name, region is US Central 1, model framework is 2.8, so 2.8. Let's select the model. Now import. We have to wait some time. Here we go. Our model is imported, and the status is ready. Let's deploy it. In order to deploy the model to an endpoint, first let's copy the name. Come here, click deploy to endpoint. Paste the endpoint name. Region is US Central 1. Click continue. Traffic split is 100%. And machine type, we have to use N1 standard 2. So let's select N1 standard 2 and deploy the model. Model deployment could take about 10 minutes or more. So I'm going to pause the video here and I will come back when the model is ready. You can see the model is getting deployed. So I'm going to pause it. Here we go. Our endpoint is ready. Now we can send a prediction request. Let's check the progress first. Model deployment completed. And task number 7, query your endpoint. We have to create a query object and send a prediction request. So let's go back to the notebook and import AI platform module from Google Cloud. From google.cloud, import AI platform. Okay. Now let's create a test instance. I have already created that. So here is it. Now let's list all the endpoints. For that, first we have to initialize the AI platform. AI platform.init. Give it the project ID. Copy the project ID from the lab. Paste it here. Let's give it our location. Our location is US Central 1. Okay. Now let's list our endpoint. AI platform.endpoint.list. This will give us all the endpoints. Here we go. We can see our endpoint here. We can use the predict method and pass our test instance. Here we go. Here are our prediction. Awesome. Let's go back and check our progress. Don't worry, it will take some time. Yeah, that's it. We have completed all the tasks in this lab. That was beautiful. So that's it for today. See you next time.